Okay, the instruction for next step, step 3 is set it up on your mobile setup or cell phone, tablet, whatever. I normally use Android, so there's a note in here. It says the smart doorbell uses an internal battery backup power. Once you have mounted your doorbell, let it charge for 30 minutes before attempting mobile setup. Okay, the model I got from Amazon also came with a what do you call this? I think they call it beam, but it's really a Wi-Fi extender. Okay, this is how it looks like. And to use it, let's see. Getting, beam alert, I guess, log in. So first thing you're gonna do is download the Zmodo app from Google Play. And then after you downloaded it, go ahead and plug the beam. Alright, after I downloaded and made my logon, it was easy. Well, easy to download and easy to create a logon. So after I log on, it tells you some tutorial. Okay, the instruction said after you downloaded the Zmodo app, go ahead and plug in your beam. So upper corner, select the top here to add beam. Oh, here, top here to begin. So first thing you're gonna do is connect to APZMD. So now it's communicating. Alright, connected to Wi-Fi. Alright, now my beam or Wi-Fi repeater or Wi-Fi extender finally connected. It's right here, this one. It has been 30 minutes, so we're gonna try to add the doorbell. Alright, so I already connected my my Ring doorbell. So this is what I did. Instead of using the instruction for the Ring doorbell, I followed the instruction for the Wi-Fi extender. So if you don't have a Wi-Fi extender or a beam that came with your Ring, then you have to follow the doorbell instruction. Since I have a Wi-Fi extender or beam, I followed the beam instruction. So all you have to do is add, and you go to automatic, and then after you press automatic, it take about a few seconds, and then it's gonna ask you to name the item or the doorbell, and then also ask you for a password. And after that, click the check button and it's good to go. So okay, so there it is right there, Ring alert. So, or you could do a live view. See, again, those are my previous surveillance camera that I had it like 2 years ago. Still good. But this one on the bottom, that's my Ring. There it is. Oh man, not good, dude. It's It's still bright outside, but the picture is dark. So let's see. Let's go out. It's my front door. So this is, I'm using the GoPro. So the GoPro, that's a picture for a GoPro. Oh, I could hear my voice too. So, and this is, and this is how it looks like. Let me see if I go in front of the camera. Yeah, you can even see my face. So I'm at my front door now. You could hear the feedback. Turn on the volume. So that's me over there. And the video quality is a lot better at night. So I might have to consider that.